Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sound on Wordscape application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off your sound on Wordscape, firstly go ahead and launch open your Wordscape application. The home page of Wordscape application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, slide the slider of sound to left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off sound on Wordscape application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.